How to always keep your mobile screen active or your mobile screen always turned on whenever you are looking at it. So this is a really cool feature which is very common in present day smartphones. So what this feature does is that whenever you are looking at your smartphone, your device will not get shut down or your screen won't go off even if you have a screen timed out limit set up already. So how you can enable this is pretty simple. What you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your Android device, and once you are inside the settings, you will need to scroll down and find this option that says display and brightness. So all your display and brightness related settings are present right here, so simply click over this, and now inside this particular page you will need to scroll down, and once you will scroll down enough, you will see this option that says screen attention keeps your screen on when you are looking at it. Simply enable this, and it says statement of use. You can click agree, and now you can see that the screen attention has been successfully enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.